Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN 8. Orlando Pirates 5, Sekhukhune 0. I'm joined by a fan, my brother. What's your name and where are you from?
And I'm from Soweto. And I'm happy about this performance.
Yes, sir.
5-star performance from a 5-star team. Thank you.
To tell me what you thought.
Everything was so perfect about that game, my friend. Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you, brother. From the defense, you are intelligent.
Yes, sir.
Keep the momentum. Keep it going. This is on the stadium. You support our every day.
My brother, the man of the match will go on.
That's it. We pass us to yes, take part. Yathanda le. Mara bafana. Umusogai. Hayi masogai ushukela mfethu. Ushukela mfethu. Hayi ushukela.
My brother, in the next round, the MTN 8 to
man.
My brother, what are you hoping to see from your Orlando Pirates this season?
You know what, my friends? Let me start with the fans. Let's come to the stadium. I say in the stadium, we need to make this place a fortress. This place is got glory, my friends. Let's give this place what it deserves. And it deserves cups. You understand? So, my final words right now. Thank you, Matala. You're a quality coach. Thank you for because it's land. Thank you.